Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to our second day's English lessons. Today, we're going to be looking at the ingredients needed to make a fruit salad. So, have a think about what kind of fruit you'd want to include in your fruit salad, or have a think back and think what you used last week. Okay, but before we do that, we're going to have a look at our second day's grammar lesson. Okay, so today, Year 1, you're going to be having a go at writing some more compound sentences. And this time it's to do with the government's 5-a-day fruit initiative that we're going to be basing it around. So before we start, quickly tell your grown-up everything that is needed for a sentence to be a compound sentence. And grown-up, start the video again when you're ready to go. So compound sentences need capital letters to start, just like any other sentence. Full stop at the end. Finger spaces between the words. Needs to be written on lines, needs to make sense, and it needs these conjunctions, and, but, also, or because, or any other ones you can think of, and then it is a compound sentence. So today your challenge is this. You're going to write, and then you're going to read back to your grown-up a compound sentence based around this information here. So you don't need to worry about the numbers. These are just examples of different, how many particular pieces of objects represents one of the 5 of the 5-a-day fruit and vegetables we're supposed to be eating. And some of these you might want to include when you come to doing your fruit salad. So what I want you to do is have a go at writing a sentence using 2 or more of these 5-a-day options, telling us, and then reading that sentence back to your grown-ups. Okay, and once you've done that, grown-ups, start the main part of the lesson. Okay, so here is a list of different things that you might include in your ingredients. You could do numbers, or you could just do 1. It's up to you. But ingredients look like this. So we've got the ingredients from yesterday's recipe. 250 grams of brown basmati rice. 1 tablespoon rapeseed oil, 1 garlic clove crushed, 2 chicken breasts sliced, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 100 grams of frozen edamame beans or peas defrosted, 100 grams of frozen sweet corn, 100 grams of grated carrots, 100 grams of red peppers cut into small cubes, 1 avocado stoned and sliced, 1 lemon cut into quarters to serve. Right, I want you to have a look at the success criteria. And I want you to have a go at pointing out on the screen some of the features that are there. Some aren't there. And you need to be thinking about including them in your own bullet points and ingredients. So, grown-ups, start the video again when you're ready. Okay, so the features I think you've probably spotted are this here, which is your subheading, and it's underlined to show. This, which is your bullet points, and you probably spotted the finger spaces between each word. You're right, there isn't, apart from for ingredients, there isn't a capital, and that's something we're going to try to include today. And you can't tell whether or not these are written on lines because it's not on a line, but it's very straight, so we'll probably give it the benefit of the doubt. So now going to have a go at starting you off, and then you choose how many, as many as you want, of these fruit and fruit juice that you are going to include in your recipe for a fruit salad. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with the subheading. And the subheading is already there for us, so it's ingredients. Ingredients. You've spelt it right. And then what do I need to do to make it clearly a subheading? That's right, I need to underline it. Okay, and then what am I going to need now? Brilliant, a bullet point. And now I'm going to choose, and I'm going to say 2 apples. Now, because I've put 2 at the front, I don't need a capital letter there. But if I was going to go with a banana, that's the next one, I would use a capital and a full stop at the end. Okay, so you got the idea? So that's your challenge for today. Write a list of all the ingredients that you're going to need to make your fruit salad. Okay, over to you.